Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we are standing in front of Edsel Ford's Dream, the 1947 Lincoln Continental Convertible, straight out of Arizona and California. This vehicle spent its life, and it is solid, and it is absolutely beautiful. Come on up and let us show you this beauty. This vehicle is one of under 800 that was built. The 12-volt motors were very weak that they put in these cars, so a lot of people replaced them, and this one was replaced. They replaced them with a 1955 Olds 324. This motor is absolutely sound, running the 6-volt system, starts very nicely, and is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to drop the hood, and we're going to take a walk around the car. And by the way, it is hooked up to the factory 3-speed with working overdrive. The chrome, and when I say chrome, there's a lot of chrome on here, is in absolutely beautiful condition. The stainless, under 87,000 mile, original mile, new top. This car is just stunning, guys. All the doors open and close perfect. Look at this. Push button handle is just cool. Unbelievable car, guys. The wide weight walls. She's ready for the show. She's ready for a museum. It's ready for go. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. All right, Aubrey. Well, I see why Edsel Ford really liked this Lincoln. It is just absolutely beautiful. I can say we've never had one in stock, and I don't know when we'll get one again, but let's open up the trunk here. It's all beautiful. All the carpet and everything is in awesome shape. This little car has spent its life in Arizona and California. It's absolutely solid, guys. 87,000 miles on it. The chrome, the trim, everything's really sharp on it. I'm going to drop the trunk and we're going to take a walk around here. It's beautiful black. The paint's in fair condition. It's got a little scratch right there, but I mean the paint is beautiful, don't get me wrong. I just like to point everything out. Beautiful white wall tires, like I said, rust free. You can see right there this vehicle is absolutely rust free. Beautiful, clean, impeccable car. You can see pictures of the top on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And I'll tell you what, folks, this car would complete any Lincoln collection, being one of 738 produced. And we're honored to have this vehicle in our place with us and being rust-free and so beautiful like this is. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. This vehicle is not going to last. Guys, check out the interior in here. Absolutely jaw-dropping and beautiful shape. Stainless, power windows, in absolutely great condition. The power top is operable. It's not hooked up to the top though, so you do it manually. Visor's in very good shape. The horn blows. Just a really sweet car here, guys. No disappointments. What a beautiful running machine here, guys. This car runs like a little watch. Don't forget, call Tom today with any questions, 248-974-9513, and subscribe to us on our social links at YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, and see beautiful vehicles like this before they're offered to the public. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios with Vanguard Motor Sales, and I'm here to put your dream in your driveway. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, download the 7 deadliest mistakes of buying a classic car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com.